What is Node.js and NPM? Well, Node.js is an open source and cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that's both accessible and performant. NPM, however, which stands for Node Package Manager, is both a software registry and, as the name states, a software package manager. To begin, we're going to go to the Node.js download page, link below in the description, and click on the Windows installer within the LTS section. Once downloaded, open the executable and click Next repeatedly, leaving everything on default. Then click Install. With the installation out of the way, we want to open up command prompt and type in npm space --v to check if it was installed correctly. And with that, we're done. Feel free to comment below or tell me on my Discord server if you have any issues or concerns. Of course, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. Cheers.